This lecture will configure a dead letter queue for this patient checkout function, and also we will configure the error handler lambda in the template.yaml file as well. For that, the first step is to go to the resources block and define a dead letter queue. Super easy to do that. Give the name patient checkout dead letter queue, DLQ, short form for it. You can use any name there. Type of it is, there are only two types we can use, AWS : SNS : topic, or AWS SQS, the queue service, and then a queue. Either of those can be used. I'm using a topic here. So that's the resource. We already have a topic. Now we need to configure this topic as a dead letter queue on the patient checkout lambda function. So you come to the patient checkout lambda function. Once you define the basic information here, under memory size, I'm going to use a new key or element called dead letter queue. So that element in SAM syntax will configure the dead letter queue for us. Again, here you specify the type is SNS. It can be SNS or SQS, only two types, and the target ARN, the Amazon resource number of that topic. In this case, if it is a queue, the ARN of the queue. ARN should be small. RN is small. Not ref, use the intrinsic operator. Whatever name you have given up top, patient checkout topic. So when that resource patient, it's not patient checkout topic, it should be patient checkout DLQ. Patient checkout DLQ is the topic that we are using as a dead letter queue. So far we have configured a dead letter queue topic, and we have configured it as a dead letter queue for the lambda function. Automatically, the lambda service will forward all the information to this dead letter queue, and this dead letter queue, which is a topic, will trigger the error handling lambda, provided we configure that lambda here. So you can copy this last lambda function, the bill management lambda function, go to a new line, go to the start of it, paste it, change the name of it to error handling lambda, error handling function. That's good enough. Let's make sure we got everything right here. The handler, the package is different. So go back to Eclipse, go to the error handler class, grab this package. We need to add error handling at the end. That is the only change. Paste it, and then the class name is error handler. Come back, paste that. The function name itself is handler. That is fine. Java 11, all that is okay. And under the events, yes, here this lambda is also triggered by a SNS event. We can leave that as it is. Under properties, the topic that triggers this particular lambda function is not patient checkout topic. It is the patient checkout DLQ. Let me grab that from up top, making sure we are not typing the wrong names. Patient checkout DLQ is the SNS topic that triggers this lambda when there is a message on the topic. That's it.